Hello everyone, nice to see you again. Today I'm going to show you how to bake a nice piece of pork neck in the oven.
Hey! Let's go!
Let's start with the marinade. First, 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil, salt about 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon again, soy sauce 3 tablespoons, mustard whole grain 1 tablespoon, Dijon mustard 1 tablespoon, red paprika, this is about 2 teaspoons, and about half a cup of dark beer. Now mix everything together. Now we need to make cuts through the meat, but do not cut all the way through, just like this. Now transfer the meat into a baking dish and pour the marinade over it. Now use your hands to properly season every part of the meat. Now slice the onions into thicker slices. The amount of onions you need depends on the size of your baking dish. I'm using 5 or 6. Now transfer the meat to a plate for a bit and place the onions at the bottom of the baking dish. Now return the meat back to the baking dish and we will stuff it with bacon. Fix the edges with a toothpick. From the other side as well. We can also use the rest of the beer and just pour it into the baking dish. To make the meat a bit more fragrant, let's use some Italian seasoning. Cover the baking sheet with aluminum foil. Bake in the oven at 220 Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit for about 1.5 hours. Okay, the meat has been baking for 1.5 hours. So let's do a fork test. Okay, it's somewhat soft. It's time for the next step. So first, baby carrots. And now potatoes. I'm using small ones, so no need to cut them. Sprinkle some olive oil over the potatoes and season them with salt and black pepper. And bake to the oven for about 45 more minutes. 45 minutes later, the meat looks like this. I think the color is great, the potatoes look great as well. We are ready to serve.